Good evening, students. Last lecture we have seen about creep and creep core. Okay. Today now we are discuss about fatigue or define fatigue failure. Okay. So the question may be asked to winter 18 for fatigue. Can define fatigue failure. Okay. In fatigue failure, when a material is subjected to repeated stresses, it fails at stresses below yield point stresses. Such a type of failure is called as fatigue failure. Okay. So this failure is caused due to progressive crack formations, but actually these cracks are very small in size, that is fine and microscopic size. Okay, this is too small, evenly too small, it is not visible with your eyes. Okay, therefore failure may occur even without any prior indication. Okay. So fatigue failure begins with a crack at some point in the components. Okay. And best example of this fatigue failure is seen in regions of discontinuity such as oil holes or queues, or abrupt changes of cross section such as shoulders or steps, or internal cracks in component material such as blowholes. Okay. But in figure shows endurance or fatigue limit. This is repeated stresses D, and E figure shows fluctuating stresses. Okay. So this fatigue failure depends upon such factors, that is number of cycles, mean stress, stress amplitude, stress concentration, residual stresses, corrosion, and creep. Okay. So the next is SN curve. Okay. The SN curve, when a specimen rotates with bending stresses at the upper fibers vary from maximum compressive to maximum tensile, where bending stresses at the bottom fiber vary from maximum tensile to maximum compressive. Okay. So question may be asked in exam. So draw SN curve. Okay. Draw SN curve for 2 marks किंवा explain SN curve for 4 marks. Okay. So let's see in SN curve. In look in SN curve by plotting number of cycles n on x-axis and fatigue strength SF on y-axis. Okay. So in figure, SUT on C on y-axis, SUT means ultimate strength of the material. Ultimate strength of the material. Okay. And here from ultimate strength of the material, there is a finite life and infinite life. Okay. So what is finite life, what is infinite life, we will see in your endurance limit. Okay. So below log to the base 10 SE, below log to the 10 to the base SE, endurance limit stress. Okay. So our next point is, what is endurance limit? Okay. So endurance limit is defined as the maximum value of completely reverse bending stress which a standard specimen can withstand without failure for infinite number of cycles of load. Okay, means maximum value of completely reverse bending stress which a specimen can withstand without failure is known as endurance limit. Okay, and this endurance limit is specified by a scientist named R.R. Murray. R.R. Murray. Okay, and in figure A shows standard specimen with radius 251 mm with a length of 875 mm. Okay, and neck thickness is 7.657 mm. And in figure B shows on x-axis time and on upper y-axis the tension and below compression. Means here the sigma max and sigma mean. So these endurance or simply it is also known as fatigue limit. Okay, endurance limit or fatigue limit. Okay, it is known as endurance limit.